All right, guys, we're here at the trail. Sunday morning, about 10 a.m., about 30 degrees. It's been snowing all morning, light snow. We had to get out, get after it. As always, we got to get all in, we got to get active. We're out testing the new tires, the new Maxxis tires I got on. I installed them. I was out once before, a real light trail run, and they performed really well. So we're here at Fort Custer recreational area, out on the trail. We're going to take it easy, a little snowy, could be a little slippery, but so far the conditions are great. So to go back to this upgrade, I installed the Maxxis brand tires. I went tubeless on my Trek Marlin 7. I went with the acid guy on the front, a 29 by 2.5 on the front. On the rear, I went with the Minion DHR 29 by 2.3 on the rear. So far on the previous ride, they performed great. So we're going to be out testing them out on this ride here a little bit longer, a little bit more aggressive trail, probably more hills, more roots. Yeah, and so in any case, stick around. Let's do this together. Let's get after it. All right. Yeah, these tires got phenomenal grip. Even in this snowy covered, kind of muddy, not real muddy, but greasy dirt with the snow. All right, guys, we're gonna take the hard road, always. But about halfway through the ride, a little update on these tires. Phenomenal, game changer. Even in these conditions where it's a little wet underneath, not muddy but greasy, then you add your layer of snow. Yeah, these things grip like crazy. going to the curves and the corners and stuff, these acid guys, man, they grip hard. And then powering up, especially with all these roots, snow-covered roots, crossing the hills, man, the DHRs, those things just power up them. Highly recommend these tires. Well worth the investment. Like I said before, I got a little grief out on social media. I posted which Maxxis brand tires, you know, the people recommend for my Marlin 7 upgrade. Fair amount of people said don't invest the money. I say, why not? You gotta get out and crush the trail, and that's the next thing that connects you to the trail is your tires. You gotta be able to perform. So on that note, we're gonna keep on here. We're gonna take the hard road. Gotta take the hard road. All right, let's do this. Look at that, guys. And this is why we do this. Look at this beauty. Out here clearing ahead, enjoying it, loving it. right, guys, that's it. Just finished up at the trail. Just got done testing out these new tires, these new Maxxis tires I got on the whole Trek. One big takeaway, huge game changer. They're highly recommended. Yeah, so we got it out right after I put them on at a real short trail, a real quick trail ride, just to test them out, just to make sure that everything's good, make sure they hold air. This is the first one that I went deep into the trails here. I think this is about a 5 or 6 mile loop. So yeah, so it was a great ride. These tires are phenomenal. Highly recommended. For anybody who wants to upgrade to tires, these Maxxis tires are phenomenal. Like I said, I went with the Assegai 29 by 2.5 on the front, and then I went with the Minion DHR 29 by 2.3 on the rear. Like I said before in a previous video, when I installed them, I just researched it, seen who was using what, and these seem to work for quite a few people. So I just pulled the trigger and got them on. Not disappointed. Really liked them. Phenomenal. Got them on the Trek. Trek performed like always. Great. Once again, that's a great bike. I highly recommend that. But yeah, so on that note, we'll get this thing loaded up. We'll get home and we'll think about our next upgrade, our next adventure. And want to encourage you guys to, as always, get up, get after it, get all in, and get active. Peace.